update after using this tablet holder for a little bit. I still like it. I have no intentions of returning it or exchanging it. It's very useful once you put the tablet in. It's not gonna fall out, which is awesome. And you can turn it portrait or landscape. I think if your tablet is small enough, you can fit it this way too, right? Which is pretty awesome. Has these little grippy parts. You could imagine this is like a slip resistant thing at the back here, and they have bits of rubber on either side. I love that. Plus there's a little lip here to hold the tablet in place. Love it. Once again, here's how you attach it. There's a little button here. When you press it, that clips into place behind here, behind this little lip. Right here. So that's it. I still love it. Put the tablet in place, it's good. Came with this lanyard. It attaches to these little holes here on either side. One thing I find annoying, not a deal breaker by any means, is when you attach these. You can't then depend on it to hold the tablet around your neck while you're using the controller, because now in its natural position the lanyard's going to be in the way of the sticks. So what I kind of do is hold it under here or out to the side kind of thing, and that works really well. But it defeats the purpose of the lanyard being extra support for the controller with the holder and the tablet. Still not a deal breaker. I like it, especially the fact that it's secure. I can also adjust it so more of the tablet's weight is over the controller like that. So I'm still going to keep it. I can't think of a permanent solution to keeping the lanyard this way. Perhaps if there was Velcro of some sort, I don't know. All right, I hope this was helpful to somebody. Take care.